All right, everyone. What we're going to be doing today is installing this Dometic refrigerator into the center console of my 2019 F250. I'm not sure if you're aware or not, but lately these have been on Amazon for $100, which is an awesome deal. I do think they're up to $149, which is still a real good deal, but I got it at $100 and I couldn't pass that up. So this should be a relatively easy install, so let's get at it. All right, the first thing they're gonna have you do is this template. You're gonna put it right here, right over top of where your DC outlet is. And you wanna tape it there. And what you want to do, you want to take your point of your drill bit and put it right in that center hole and get it started. And then you can take the bit out, the guide out if you would like. All right, then you want to pull your guide back out and finish drilling your hole. Now don't go crazy with it because it is some stuff behind here that you could hit. So just take it nice and slow. All right, that's that. I think I'm gonna go get a vacuum to clean all this up real quick, and then we'll proceed with the video. All right, so the next thing you want to do is install the little fan. It has arrows pointing up to tell you which way to put it in. So you just want to pop it in there. Easier said than done, apparently. There it goes. All right, here we go. Whew, she was tight. And also a cool little thing, they include this plug where if you ever do take the cooler out, you won't just have a gigantic hole in your console. So now you want to take that wire and kind of tape it up out here, out the way. I guess I got too much Armor All on the console. Let's try that again. Still did not work. Well, we're just going to hope that works. So next will be these spacers. They go on each side. This part goes to the back. So you just kind of place it like that. They have double-sided tape on it that you have to peel the back off of so it'll stick. And then here's the other other side, the driver's side, and then you just stick it in there. Press it against so it's firm. All right. Now we're gonna grab the cooler and try to slide it in. That's fighting me. So first things first, you want to plug it in. Set it to the side, open up the plug. Then you want to set it down. Get your plug straight. Try to find a good way to grab it here. There we go. Oh, it's hung on the light. All right. So now we need to find our other end to the plug because it went down in there, unfortunately. Oh, well. All right. Now, before we slide it down in there completely, there we go. Now we'll plug this up. Very small little plug. All right, that is plugged in. And now this is supposed to sit right on this edge right here, which I think it already is. And then you tighten down these screws. Which already seems super tight. There we go. All right, now, before we put the cover on it, we want to test it and make sure the fans are working. There they are. It takes a second. All right. So the next part is you put the little cover on for it. The vented side goes towards the driver's side. Just pops in, and that's that. My buddy has one of these, and it works awesome. So I look forward to using it on these long road trips. That's all. Appreciate it.